Pinocchio's adventures. Pinocchio's adventures follow the journey of a wooden puppet brought to life by a kind fairy who tells him he can become a real boy if he proves himself brave, truthful, and unselfish. However, Pinocchio's path is filled with temptations and challenges. He is repeatedly led astray by cunning characters like Honest John and Gideon, tricked into joining a puppet show, and later lured to Pleasure Island, where misbehaving boys are transformed into donkeys. Despite his mistakes, Pinocchio learns valuable lessons about responsibility and love, especially when he risks his life to save his creator, Geppetto, from the belly of a giant whale. Through courage and selflessness, Pinocchio ultimately earns his transformation into a real boy, proving that true growth comes from learning from one's mistakes.